Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to select multiple objects within the Canva app. So select your first object or element, usually the smallest one and easiest to select or hardest to select, I should say. So that would be this books here. Let's say if I want to select the rest of these middle elements, I need to tap on. You can see there are more options at the bottom. Now you can see this option select multiple. If you tap on it, now as you can see it's saying that we have selected only one object. So now if I select this one, as you can see two objects are selected now, and if I go for third one, as you can see now it's three, and it's saying as well that you have selected three objects. So you can select many objects as you want. As you can see I am selecting now just randomly, and as you can see now 10 elements are selected at the same time. Now you can move them all at the same time, or you can do whatever you want. So that's simply how you can select multiple objects in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.